Hi, Assalamualaikum. So right now I want to do some demonstration about driver management system assignment. So this is for level 1, which is a basic driver state detection. So okay, we get 3 perkara, which is eyes open close, hands on steering wheel. So yang ketiga is head position. Okay, so this is the code, and then we do some simulation. This one is for looking down, so for head. So this one is for hands off. Okay, the right one, last one is eyes open close. So that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.